let's take a look at this, right? I colored it by the scores. So the lower the score, the less purple it is. The higher the score, the more purple. Which kind of gives you an easy way to kind of determine. Let's take a look and see, go down here and let's mark which ones are going to win or lose. Right? If we look at all these matchups, right? All of them said that Green Bay were going to win. So let's color that. What do you want to color that so we know that this is our winning team? Green? So you guys have a paint can on yours, right?
A paint can? Oh, yeah.
Okay. Hit the paint can, that little arrow by it, and put in whatever color you want. I'm going to put red.
Yeah.
That they win?
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Oh, whichever is easier for you, bro.
First off, let's get rid of the purple.
Yeah.
Okay? So go through here. We're going to color this anything we want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these 4 rows, E through I. Okay, do you have a conditional formatting? Okay, go to Manage Rules. You have Manage Rules, right? Format, conditional formatting, Manage Rules. Everybody click on that.
Manage rules. Wait. No, oh. No, go to format condition. Yeah.
Okay, does everybody see something like this? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we want to get rid of this, so what I'm going to do is hit that negative or delete.
We don't have that. We have delete.
Hit delete.
Delete rule?
Delete rule.
No one?
Yeah. Delete all the rules. No rules, guys. Let's go crazy. All right. So now you should see that.
How do you put your right?
You did it right?
New rule?
Well, we could do a new rule. Here's what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of do this manually because it's just easier that way. Here's what I want you to do is I want you on all these, well, actually, let's make this so it's a little easier to see. We're going to do some more formatting. Select, so here's our matchups, right? Detroit, Green Bay. I selected A3, went down to A6, and then went all the way over to J.
But how do you declude all those to J?
You just drag it. So I selected, and then I just dragged it.
Oh.
Everybody with me? Okay.
Oh, I
Again, right-click, Format Cells. This is cool, and you're going to use this function a lot. So again, you got number, alignment. Let's go to border. Everybody do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's what we're going to do is I want to put a box around all our matchups. So I'm going to hit this outline. And here's the thing is I want to use, see these lines over here? I can make them dashed. Let's make them thick. So I'm going to hit that thick one. Or you can make them double lines if you wanted. Now hit the outline again. Okay, ready? Hit OK.
Okay.
Yeah. What? No clapping. Now we want to do this for all of these. Do you think we have to do that for everything like that? No, not drag it. What else do we do instead of dragging? Paste what?
What?
Paste special. So here's what I want you to do is I want you to select all those again. Hit Control C. Now here's what I'm going to do is I'm going to select everything else.
So you do this for every week?
Yeah, now you know why my family hates me. No, just kidding. It goes pretty quick, actually. It's not too bad. Actually, mine's a lot more intensive. I actually add like turnover ratios. I add home field advantage. I add sacks sometimes. Actually, I stopped adding sacks because it was just making me crazy. So, Okay.
You have a more accurate number?
I'll have to look, but I think I did. So what I'll do is once you guys do your stuff, we'll compare them to my list, and then we'll see what's close. So again, we selected everything. Go to Pay Special. Now here we just want to select Formats. Now hit OK. Isn't that much prettier to look at?
Yep.
Absolutely.
Color to it now?
Oh wait, you know what we did is I screwed up and like it made the it added the thing I
I never
highlighted.
made mine red, so.
Okay, well that's all right. Here, let's take off the highlighting real quick. I'm going to show you what to do. So select column E. Okay, find your paint can, hit no fill. Okay. Here's what I want you to do is I want you to basically mark whichever in the column, I want you to mark which one's supposed to win. So again, 24 is higher than 20. This predicts Green Bay is going to win, so I'm going to color this in red. And I can actually, all of these are higher, so I'm going to color that in red. Let's do that for all of these. So basically, in the time remaining, which is 1 minute, basically, when you get home, I want you to, like on Sunday, when you're looking at the games, I want you to mark which team's supposed to win, and that way you'll kind of know. Then I want you to fill in the values here for the actual games so we can get an idea how close we were. Monday, we'll dissect the heck out of this, and we'll figure out what happened.